Njaini ya ceceni ya borithi ya Kilimani ni kwarumiriri ma mubunge wa Starehe Charles Njagua mekururunganite makienda mubunge yarekererio. Na thutha wa ndagika nini maburujo ni maobitha ma borithi na ndogo ya guita maithori kumana na kiria maobitha mugite ni kwaga githayo wa muingi. Mubunge wa Starehe Charles Njagua aikirio ngoro ni maobitha ma borithi mathaine ma muthenya thutha wa kwirikana muthiini wa kiumia kiu kirathirire ni araririe miario ya gucogera ngui kuri onjoria thoko-ini ya Kamukunji akienda onjoria aria mumite nja ya bururi macokio kwao. Gukwa mbunge matiganite makioneka kurugama na umo wao mugite ona gutwika matiranyita mbaru miario ya Njagua uthuthuria ni wagirirwo gwiko niguo kumenya ndugu iria bururi wa Kenya inaguo na mabururi maria mena wonjoria guku bururi-ini.
This is a matter which is very serious. It's affecting businesses in Western Kenya. Our people can't sell, they can't get their money, they are pending bills. So you want to kill our people?
Njagua himself has actually apologized. If you noticed, even in his tweets and social media platforms, he said that he's apologetic, to the people who have interpreted his message strongly.
People are speaking as if it's a must that he goes to court. The investigators, it's not automatic for them. They just arrest and take you to court. They are still going through the evidence. Remember, most of these information, people got them from the media, from social media. So the comprehensiveness of those statements must be analyzed in contradistinction to the law. That is what they are doing.
Riu Njagua abingeirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kilimani etereire kurokio igoti-ini rucio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Masi, Wandia wa Mũrĩithi.